Acupressure is an alternative medicine technique similar in principle to acupuncture. It is based on the concept of life energy which flows through meridians in the body. In treatment, physical pressure is applied to acupuncture points with the aim of clearing blockages in these meridians. Here are 7 pressure points to relieve headache. 1. Union Valley. Firmly pinch the webbing between your thumb and index finger with your other hand for 10 seconds. Massage small circles over the area in one direction for 10 seconds, then reverse direction. Repeat on your other hand. 2. Facial. Place both index fingers at the bottom of your cheekbones alongside each of your nostrils. Press and hold for 1 minute. 3. Shoulder well. Press your thumb on the top of your shoulder halfway between your shoulder joint and the base of your neck. Apply firm circular pressure for 1 minute. Repeat on the other side. 4. Wind Mansion. Use your thumb to find the hollow under the base of your skull. Press and hold for 1 minute. 5. Gates of Consciousness. Place both index and middle fingers on the base of your skull, in the hollow areas between your neck muscles. Press firmly upward for 10 to 15 seconds, then release. Repeat until your neck relaxes. 6. Drilling Bamboo. Use your index fingers to apply firm pressure to both points at once and hold for 10 seconds. Release. Repeat 5 to 10 times. 7. Third Eye. Press your index and pointer finger in the space between your eyebrows and lightly massage for 1 minute. I hope these methods will help you find some relief. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.